Alright guys, hiking through the woods trying to get to the river. Hopefully there's not a bunch of people here. So, we'll see when we get down here. It's raining today, which is awesome. I got off work, went home, and then it started raining, and I was like, wow, better head to the river, because in this particular river, the only time they actually bite is when you got some water flow and some rain, so. And there ain't no one fishing this hole. Sweet. A lot of you guys that are from this area probably look at this and be like, oh, I know exactly where you're fishing, and that's great. I'm not going to say the river name. If you want to say it and put it out there, I mean, it's already a big popular river around here, but that's up to you if you want to tell people. But I don't like to share river names because there's very few rivers with fish on them these days, and you find a river with fish on it and then you've got 7,000 people. And on this river, a lot of people like to hook the fish improperly, meaning not in the mouth, and I'm not a fan of it. Alright guys, well, I got a little bobber dog set up on here, which probably isn't the best because this water is not moving very good, but we're gonna fish this bobber dog. Got a little bead on there. I didn't bring any bait with me today. Just because this river, the fish are the water is so clear and warm, and there's so much pressure and people trying to hook these fish in the wrong way. So these fish are very pressured and they shut down really easy to biting, and when they do bite, I've had more success on a bead than anything, actually, even over good eggs. So for me, instead of coming here and waste my eggs, I'll just fish beads at this river, catch a couple hens, and then go use those eggs at a different river. And I'm going to cut my weight down. Just got a bobber dog set up with some pencilette on there, and that pencilette is really easy to just cut down and adjust. See if we can get a little better drift now. I brought a bobber dog setup, which I didn't know how good was going to work because the water's so low right now. And then I also, on my other setup, I've just got a regular bobber for vertical fishing, but we'll see. It'd be nice. I haven't been out here in a while, and honestly, even if I don't catch anything, it'd be nice just to see a couple fish roll or a couple fish shoot up the river right here. That was a little fishy. Alright guys, well, that's all she wrote. Saw some fish moving around, but didn't ever get one. But I've been out a little bit more. Salmon season's rolling around. Hopefully we can get on the river as much as we can and try to get some videos for you guys, try to get some bobber down, some fish catches. So stay tuned. Hopefully some good videos to come.